Guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Batman Arkham City Remastered graphics mod. And to get started, firstly, you'll have to install Reshade Setup, so double click on that. You'll get to download all these files from my Patreon, so don't worry about that. So click on here, and then click on Browse. Go to your game folder, Batman Arkham City, binaries Win32, select Batman AC.exe, and click on DirectX 9. Since it is already installed, I don't have to install it again. And after that, you'll have to install RTGI shader. Now this is Patreon only, so I'm not going to show you, but it is all about copying the files and pasting it into Reshade shader folder. And then after that, you'll actually have to copy the preset file. So go like that, and drag and drop into Batman Arkham City binaries Win32 folder like this, and then extract the texture.zip. So just do that. Now go to TextMod folder, click on this, click on the large one, and go to your game folder. So let's just go there, binaries Win32, and click on that. Now before I click on run, I'll have to show you one more thing, and that is quite compulsory. So just go to document, go to WV Games Batman Arkham City GOTY, and then go to binaries Win32. No, you just have to go to BM game config, and here user engine.ini, go right there, and set vsync to false, allow DirectX 10 and 11 to false. Both of these needs to be set to false. And down here, multi-sample mod to 1x MSA, because we already have better MSA in the mod, so we won't let that be bothered by the in-game effects. That'll only create more problems, so make sure to do this. And then after that, let's go back to text mod, click on the smaller one and browse, and go to this folder where you actually extracted our texture files. So just go there, double click on the TPF, select and run. This is actually all you have to do to run the graphics mod, and let's just check it out. It'll take you a bit. It's all about patience, since this is a graphics mod. And there's one more thing you need to do. So we'll just open the game, and it's loading. And that's just one fact about graphics mod. It comes with a cost, so it eats your PC up, and you know, more powerful PC the merrier. So yeah, the faster SSD you got, the faster it will load because of the texture. It is quite high quality. Now click on home, and then go to this preset menu and select batman.ini, and go to DirectX 9 option, and make sure the copy depth buffer before clear operation is selected. And that is all. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and of course this stupid game is going to be closed, so yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like it.